Alright, on this question we're going to write a linear equation in standard, we're going to write a linear equation in two variables with that can be used to represent the graph. Alright, so the first thing I want to do is to get it in two variable form. Two variable form is y equals mx. We can do it in this form, that's the standard form, or we can do it in the slope-intercept form. Both of these are considered to be two variables. Alright, so I'm going to actually do slope-intercept form, and then I'm also going to put it in standard form so you can see both. Alright, since I have a graph, I need the slope and I need the y-intercept. And if you notice, the slope is rise over run, so I actually can pick 2 points and find my slope that way. I could do rise or run. Now, a lot of kids will pick this one as their use that, but that is not going directly through the point. So you actually need to find one that actually does, and I'm going to say this one and this one. Those are the two that I'm going to go for. This is also my y-intercept. That's for the B part. So we're going to use this point, like I said, and this point. Alright, so let's do rise over run first. Alright, so I'm going to go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I went up 5, and I'm going over 1, 2, 3. So I went to the right 3. Since I went to the right as a positive, since I went up as a positive. So my slope is 5/3. Alright, so since I already have my y-intercept, and my y-intercept here is at 3, so that means it's 0, 3. That means my y is going to be my y-intercept's a 3. So I'm just going to plug in my numbers. Y equals, my slope is 5/3 x, and my y-intercept is positive 3, so I'm going to put plus 3 there. Alright, there is my, I just wrote a linear equation in two variables. Now I'm going to go ahead and just put it in standard form for you. So I'm going to subtract 5/3 x to both sides. And when I do, I end up with negative 5/3 x plus y equals 3. Remember, this is in standard form. We can't have a negative nor a fraction for the number in front of x, the a. So this time I'm going to kind of show you that I'm going to get rid of negative and the denominator at the same time. Since it's negative, we can't have, and since it has a denominator 3, I'm going to multiply both sides, everything by negative 3. And when I do this, the 3's cancel out. Think about it. Negative 3 times 5 is 15. Negative 15, and then divide by negative 3 makes it. So really the negative 3's cancel out and you have 5x. Then you're going to say minus 3y, because a negative 3 times y is going to be a negative 3y. And then a negative 3 times 3 is a negative 9. So this is my two variables right there, the linear equations, and so is this as well. So both of these could be correct depending on what they're really asking for.